Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to do long multiplication. I'm going to be multiplying by units. I'm going to be multiplying by 10. So let's jump straight into it. I'm going to share my screen with you. So this is the calculation that I have created. 2,678 multiplied by 24. Okay, so first things first, what are the rules? We ignore this one for the time being. We ignore the 10 for the time being. Pretend it is not there, okay? So we're only dealing with the 4, and we're going to work from right to left. So it's always going that way, right to left, with our calculation. So we start here, 4 times 8. Then we do 4 times 7, 4 times 6, and lastly, 4 times 2, okay? They're not obviously 4 times 2, it's actually 4 times 2,000, but to make it simple, let's just deal with the digit we see in front of us, which is the 2, okay? It just makes it easier for you right now as you learn your process. So first things first, 8 times 4, okay? We know that, that's 32. There's the 32, but we don't want to put that, we just want to put what's in the unit column, which is the 2, okay? Reason for that is we are going to carry over the 30. So I'm going to put the 2 there, and it's all about lining up with long multiplication. You get this correct, you've got it, the rest of it smashed it, okay? And then you're going to carry the 3. Now here's the 3, and we are going to carry it, and I like to carry it above my line so I can see it, and I'm going to put it in that column there. Okay, so on to the next one. 4 times 7, 7 times 4, yep, we know that, 28, but we need to add on that 3, 28 add 3, 29, 30, 31, so we're on 31. Now I'm going to put that in that column, again lining up is so important, and then I'm going to carry the 3 over to the next column, and again put it above the line. Now let's just line that one up there. Okay, so we have so far achieved 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 7, 28. Add the 3, gives me 31. 6 times 4, 6 fours, 24. Don't forget, add that 3. So that's given us a 7. Put that 7 there. 27. Line it up. We've got to carry the 20. So again, Mr. Denton likes to put it there so you can see it. It's above the line, so I need to carry on, add it on. I've got it there. So here we go, nice and lined up. Good. Now, final one, 4 times 2, 8. What do we do with this one? We're going to add the 2 on, okay? So 4 times 2 is 8, add 2 makes 10. So here, we're going to put the 0 for the 10. And remember, we're going to carry the 1, which is the 10. So I'm going to, again, good procedure, put it above the line, and I know where it's going. So when I finish, it's not in this column here, it's in its new column. So I'm going to have nothing here. I've got a 1, I just drop the 1 down into my box like this. So there's my 1, 72. Format. Okay, so now I have, so 8 times 4, 4 times 7, 4 times 6, 4 times 2. We've got our answer now, 10,712. Right, now, this is the bit that people get a little bit confused on. I'm going to help you here. We're dealing with a 20 because it's in the tens column, so it's 20 times 8, 20 times 7. But look, I don't want it to be confusing for you. So what you do is, we are going to just create a box, and we're going to put it here. You can put a box. Sometimes I just put a cross so that I know that my calculation does not go into this unit part. So I've blocked it out. now we do 2 times 8, 2 times 7. And this time, where I've carried above the line for this section, I'm going to put below the line for that so that I remember it, okay? So 2 times 8, 16. 6 goes there. And yes, I've got to carry, so I'm going to carry the 1, but the 1 is going to go down here so I don't get confused. Like that. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 7 is 14. Add the 1. I've got 5 there. That's 15. Like that. And I'm going to carry the 1. Again, under the line, so we don't get confused. There we go. 2 times 7, 14. Adding the 1, 15. 2 times 6, 12. Add the 1, 13. So I'm just going to add the 1. It's 13. And I'm going to carry the 1 over here. Again, make sure you are beneath that line. 2 times 6, 12, add 1, 13. 2 times 2 is 4, add 1 is 5. No need to carry on this one. It's just 5. So we are left with this answer. It's actually 53,560, but we've put that there to stop us. Okay, so if we want to get rid of it now, we can do, because we've done our calculation. I'm just going to leave it there for you for now. It's easier for you to remember. Then we've just got to do our adding up. So 2 add nothing at all gives us 2. 6 add 1 will give us 7. 7 add 5 is 12. So we're going to carry. That's no problem because we've left ourselves some space here. So it's 12. I'm going to carry beneath this line. So I'm always working down. I'm never going to get confused with the carries that I'm doing. 7 add 5 is 12. 3 add 0 add 1 is 4. 5 add 1, 6. So our answer is 64,272. I hope that's been really helpful. Go over your figures, just check it, but always make sure that you are crossing out the 10 at the beginning and working from right to left. Remember, this first line, our carriers go above. This second line, our carriers go beneath. And then all we are doing is adding these numbers together at the end to get our final total, which is down here in black. I hope that's helped you. If you've got any questions, contact me. Thanks a lot. Bye.